Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello kids, let's draw juicy grapes. Draw a bunch of round circles stuck together. Add some stems and leaves. Color them purple, or your favorite color. Yummy grapes are ready.
Whoa! Fabulous! Bravo! Bravo!
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.